Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the Google Meet app onto your computer, so you can use it as a standalone application instead of just going through your browser. This shortcut lets you quickly create or join meetings with ease. Without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, just simply open your web browser and then navigate to the official website of Google Meet by just simply typing Google Meet over here, then open the first link right over here. Now, once you're on the Google Meet website, make sure to log in right over here. Then this will be signed into your Google account. Now, once we complete the sign-in process, then just simply click on the three dots at the top right-hand side corner over here. All you have to do is just simply go to the Savecast section, which you can see over here. Now, all you have to do is just simply choose Install Google Meet right over here. Then just simply click on Install, and now it will create a standalone Google Meet directly onto your computer. And to verify that, you can also see a shortcut, which will be on your desktop, as you can see right over here. And now you can easily create or join meetings without having to open your browser each time. All you have to do is simply double-click on your shortcut, and then log in, and then it will automatically open Google Meet, as you can see right over here. So that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Google Meet app on your computer using a simple method. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.